posting a video. We found a big bird, guys. This is crazy, guys. My mom's birds are pretty cool.
Yay!
Pretty cool, guys.
Yeah. Look, watch it. Watch us do it.
Boom, Carlos, boom. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not posting it. Hey, guys, you want to see my brother dive in the pool? You gonna do it?
I'm not diving. Okay, fine. Guys, I'm gonna do something real cool. Hey, guys. Guys.
Put that down.
Okay, I'm gonna jump this side.
Not that far. You might get hurt.
Okay.
You sure? No? Just get down and do it.
No, push the trampoline.
Get off first. Get off. Okay, guys, I pushed the trampoline a little bit further.
Okay, guys, we're going. I'm gonna jump. Guys, I can't really do
Just
it.
hurry up and do it.
I can't do it, guys. I already did it before. But here we go for Zoe.
His girlfriend. Record me. No, I think I record myself. Na 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 na.
Guys, I seen it.
Record me. Record me.
We're both going to get wet.
Okay, make sure. Wait. Get your hand off there. Hold it like this.
Okay.
Hey, make sure you can see me. Okay. Get back. Okay, stop. Look at me. Can he see me?
Yeah. Wait, no.
Put it back. Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? I want to dive in the pool. Hold it like this. Just hold it like this in the pool. Just right there.
Okay.
Keep it right there. Move your freaking hand. No, just put it right there. Keep it right there. Keep it right here.
Okay. Now about me.
Hey, I told you to throw that candle in the trash.
Okay.
And that glass.
It's bad. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do it next.
I want this video to get 2,000 likes.
Okay,
Or
guys.
3.
Okay, guys.